Hey value traders, did you see the huge jump on gold last Friday?
Valutrades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's Market Blast, let's take a look at WTI, the S&P 500, silver, and gold. Last week we were looking at a rise in gold to $1,900, but we got a lot more than that. Between the conflict in Israel and the chaos in the US Congress, investors are shifting their assets to gold. Obviously, the rapid move in price action is based on fundamental events, but we will monitor the technicals as well. The markets opened with a gap this morning, and the stochastic oscillator is showing very overbought and turning down, so we have two contrary indications. If we look at the daily chart on XAUUSD, we see the stochastic oscillator hesitating in overbought territory and price trying to break the upper trend line. Very often silver follows gold, and we see a similar chart and price action on XAGUSD. Price has bounced off the upper trend line, and the stochastic oscillator is also overbought. We will keep an eye on this and wait for confirmation of a potential short trade to see if price action fills this gap. Last week we looked at the S&P 500 trading above the 200-day moving average and rising. Of course, the latest uncertainties have spooked investors, and they've sold off and bought gold or converted to cash. For this reason, we see a pullback, so we may want to look at a buy trade if we see confirmation, at least to the upper trend line. MACD is looking bullish, with the signal line passing out of the histogram. Also, many large US companies are reporting earnings this week, so keep an eye on volatility. The same can be said in the crude oil markets, with a big jump in price action on Friday. If tensions abate, we may see a fall from the current levels, as the stochastic oscillator is also showing overbought. Analysts and investors will be watching the economic news this week, and the highlights will be the US retail sales tomorrow and Jerome Powell's New York speech on Thursday. Again, watching for hints on possible interest rate policy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.